Welcome. Science 6 Standard, ninth chapter, The Living Organisms, Characteristics and Habitats, Part 2. 9.1 Organisms and the Surroundings Where They Live. 9.1 Organisms and the Surroundings Where They Live. Another thought that occurred to Paheli and Bhojo was about the kinds of living organisms they were present in different locations that they had visited. The deserts had camels, the mountains had goats and yak. Puri had some other creatures like crabs on the beach and such a variety of the fish being caught by the fishermen at the sea. And there did some to be some creatures like ants that were present in all these different locations. The kinds of the plants found in each of these origins were so different from the plants of the other regions. What about the surroundings in these different regions? Were they the same? Activity 1. Let us start with the forest. Think of all the plants and animals and objects that can be found there. List them in column 1 in table 9.1. List things, animals and plants found in the other regions and also shown in the table. If you have to fill the table, in next slide will come. You can collect the examples scattered through this chapter. While studying this chapter, you can also fill that table. Fill the table 9.1. Discuss also with your friends, parents, and teachers to find more examples to fill the tables. You can also consult many interesting books in libraries that talk of animals, plants, and minerals of the different regions. Try and include many plants, animals, and objects, big and small, in each of the columns in this table. What kind of the objects will we find that may not be animals or plants? Perhaps parts of the plants like the dried leaves or the parts of animals like the bones. We may also find different kinds of the soils and pebbles. Water in the oceans may have salts dissolved in it as discussed in chapter 5. There could be many more objects as we go through the chapter. Keep adding more examples to the table 9.1. We will discuss the table as we travel through many more interesting places. Table 9.1 Animals, plants, and other objects found in different surroundings. If you know more, you can add more to this. In the forest, oak trees are there, pine trees, tiger, deer are the animals live there. On the mountains, oak trees are there, maple trees are there, and animals, goat and vulture. In the desert, cactus and turpentine are the plants. Then camel and rats are the animals live in desert. In the sea, seals and sharks are the animals live in sea. Seagrass and red algae are the plants. Please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon and save the playlist. Thank you very much. Bye bye.